So we're heading to work on the cars today. It's going to be a warm day, almost 40 degrees Celsius. Thank you. So we're headed off early. We're going to be working on the white R33 today. Try and finish off, thank you, a few things. We've got the heat shields to go back on over the turbo, airflow meter and the filter. There's a few vac lines under the engine bay that we've still got to reattach, as well as a couple of blue silicon hoses that we still need to change over to black ones. Reconnect the dump to the exhaust, and hopefully we'll be done under the engine bay, fill it up with water, and see if we can get it to start. It has got larger injectors in it now, so we'll see if it's happy starting or not. We've also got to do a little bit of wiring in prep for the tune in the next few weeks. So we've got to wire in the Z32 airflow meter plug ready for the tune, so that makes that a seamless process. And then if we've got time and it doesn't get too hot, which it probably will, we'll move on to the interior, just giving a good vacuum inside because it's a bit filthy in there, and fitting the seat rail and the fixed back seat to the driver's side so that we can get it tuned. So we'll see you there. Well, as you can hear, we've started the car. Everything's gone fine. Started first pull. I did pull the fuel pump and give it a few cranks just to build some oil pressure pre the start, just to make sure, because the car's been sitting for a while, that we've got some oil up in the head, ready to lubricate everything up there. So fuel fuse went back in and it started first pull, which is nice to see. Got nothing leaking at the moment. The heat shield will go back on here once we're confident that none of the water lines or oil lines are leaking down there. We've made up a section of pipe here for the blow-off valve, which returns back into the standard intake. We've still got to connect this pipe here to the return on the intake for the cam covers. We are going to put a catch can in between. That pipe's just temporary at the moment, so we don't accidentally drop anything down that valve. So everything's going really well. We're just running a radiator flush through it now because it's been sitting for so long, and trying to get it up to temperature, as well as filling that new heater core and making sure there's no leaks in that either. So we'll be back soon.